Welcome to Fundu Money, your 24 into 7 buddy for all your money matters. We are discussing ULIP switching facility in this video, and we have with us a renowned life insurance expert, that's Dr. Mukul Jain. We'll be asking Dr. Jain how ULIP switching facilities can be used for the maximum benefit of policyholders. Dr. Jain, what exactly is ULIP switching facility? How can policyholders use it for maximum benefit?
Well, Udyanji, as you rightly said, that ULIPs are uh, insurance plans which give the option of investment in the market, in equity markets, debt markets, money markets, as well as it provides the insurance cover also. So it's all in one plan, and it gives a lot of flexibility to the policyholder. Now, typically in a ULIP plan, the policyholder has to choose his or her allocation, and the policyholder is given three options. One is of equity fund. Equity fund typically invests in the equity market, in the stock market. The second fund is a debt fund, which invests in various bonds. It could be government bonds, it could be corporate bonds. So there are private companies bonds also, then there are government of India bonds also. And the third fund is called money market fund. It's also known as liquid funds. So here the money is invested in the money market. Money market typically means there are many investment instruments which have the maximum tenure of 1 year. The tenure will not exceed 1 year. For example, the government of India issues treasury bills, T-bills, which are generally, these days they are issuing T-bills of 91 days, 182 days, 364 days. In earlier times, the government also used to issue treasury bills for even 7 days and 14 days. But nowadays, 91 days, 182 days, and 364 days T-bills are issued. Generally, as a retail investor, I do not get access to invest in these kind of T-bills because they are mainly meant for institutions or primary dealers. So, but here in ULIP, as a policyholder, as an investor, I can choose a money market fund also. So I can choose my allocation. So treasury bill is one of the instrument in this money market fund. Then there are call and notice money market also. Then there are certificate of deposits, CDs issued by banks for short-term raising of their money. Then there are commercial papers also issued by corporate companies. So these kind of instruments come under money market. So money market funds are considered to be the most safest because the tenure is very short. There is less probability of any kind of default in the payments. So therefore, money markets, the interest rate will be the least. The return will be the least, I would say, relative to debt funds and equity funds. But the default risk or credit risk will be the lowest. Rather, they are known as risk-free instruments. Debt funds are interest rated instruments, like I said earlier, government bonds, it could be corporate bonds. But here, the tenure could be as long as 30 years. So there could be a default risk and credit risks. Credit rating has to be there in such kind of bonds. Several rating agencies give rating to these various papers. Like CRISIL is there, ICRA is there, Fitch is there, etc., etc. Now, as a policyholder or as an investor, suppose I have chosen a fund, I have chosen a ULIP plan, wherein I have chosen my allocation initially while filling up the proposal form. Suppose I have chosen 50% in equity fund, I have chosen 30% in debt fund, and I have chosen 20% in money market fund. Now, after a certain point of time, I want to switch. I want to say that no, instead of 50% in equity market, I want just 40% in equity market. So 10% I want to switch it to debt fund. Again, after some time, I want to switch further if I am seeing that equity market is falling down. So I want to reduce my exposure in equity fund. So again, I give a application to my insurance company that further, switch further 10% of my equity into money market fund or debt fund, or from debt fund to money market fund, or vice versa. It could be any permutation and combination. So this facility is known as switching facility. Now, normally an insurance company these days are allowing certain switches free of cost. Some companies are allowing 5 switches in a financial year free of cost. Or sorry, we here in insurance companies, it's not financial year, it's the policy year. Suppose I have taken my policy on 1st of September, so my policy year would be from 1st September to 31st of August. So that is my policy year. So within this policy year, I can avail the facility of 5 switches. Some companies are giving 6 switches. Some companies are even giving up to 8 switches free of cost. If after that threshold limit, I want an additional switch, then there would be some nominal charges which would be charged. It would be charged by you can say reducing some of the units. The units could be in whole numbers. The units could be in fraction also, which we call as NAV. So the NAV could be reduced slightly. So that is the facility of switching. For these plans, give this flexibility that as an investor, I can make it a largely an equity fund. I can make it largely a debt fund, and so on.
That sounds quite interesting. Dr. Jain, do you think that there is some kind of a tax-related issue coming up? Because when you actually in a mutual fund, you actually move from one type of fund to another, one scheme to another. It's like it's treated as redemption. Whereas here, and you get taxed accordingly depending on the tenure of the investment. But here that doesn't seem to be happening. Is that something? Is there a tax element to switching as well?
Oh, absolutely, Udyanji, you have asked a very pertinent question. As I told you that here in ULIPs, there is a one big umbrella and you have all the 3 options of equity, debt, and anytime you can switch. Here, whatever would be the maturity proceeds, it would be tax-free. And of course, the minimum time period for a ULIP plan is 5 years. And one can choose 5 years as the minimum period, or one can choose any time, 6 years, 7 years, up to 20, 25 years. But whatever would be the proceeds, whether it would be the maturity proceeds or it would be the claim, death claim, unfortunately, it would be a tax-free, irrespective of the fact whether the majority of the portion was in debt or the majority of the money was in equity or was in liquid funds. On the other hand, if we compare it with mutual funds, in mutual fund, as I said, there is not one big umbrella. There are separate funds. So you have to buy a different equity fund, you have to buy a different debt fund, and the tax, you can say tax rule for them are different. For example, in mutual fund, for a typically equity fund, short-term capital gain, if you sell your units within 1 year, it is a short-term capital gain. You have to pay the tax at the rate of 15%. If it is a long-term capital gain, that is, you have sold your unit any time after 1 year. Now, before this budget of 2018, it was tax-free in the case of mutual funds. But now, after the budget, up to 1 lakh rupees of income, it would be tax-free. But beyond 1 lakh rupees, there will be a long-term capital gain. In the case of debt funds, again, short-term capital gain is within 3 years if you have sold your units. Whatever would be the gain, short-term capital gain, it will be added to your income. So you have to pay the tax according to your slab in which you are falling. That is marginal rate of tax. Beyond 3 years, if you are selling, it's a long-term capital gain, or here it's also not tax-free. Either you have to pay 10% tax if you don't take the benefit of indexation. But if you are taking the benefit of indexation, then you have to pay tax at the rate of 20%. And in money market funds also, it's not tax-free. So there are taxes. So if we compare it with this ULIP, it's a tax-free irrespective of whether the fund was aligned towards equity or aligned towards debt or aligned towards money market.
Sounds good. So that is one interesting difference that seems to be coming out, especially after this budget. And what it also does is, in a long-term investment, if you're investing for the long term, one of the advantages what this tax treatment does is when you're actually approaching the period when you need the money, over roughly about 3 years from that point, what you need to do is move money away from high risk investments. So if you have put in money in equity funds, you need to move them to low risk, the ones that categories that Dr. Jain mentioned, debt funds, then very close to the requirement period, you need to put it in liquid funds or money market funds. Now, what is happening is when you're moving in any other option, typically a mutual fund, the taxation is happening. In ULIPs, that is not happening. So this is something which you can expect anybody who's selling ULIPs to talk a lot about after this particular budget. But this process of de-risking, where you're trying to secure the gains that you have made, especially in equity funds, in ULIP, is a tax-free process, whereas in mutual funds that doesn't seem to be happening. So both these products, both these classes of products have their own pluses and minuses. It entirely depends on what your needs are, what your convenience is, whether you want to sort of foot some of the charges that are involved. So it's a balance that needs to be done. Obviously, a financial advisor would be in a good place, in a good position to guide you, a good financial planner or advisor. So hopefully you've found this video useful. If there are other issues related to switching, ULIP switching, you can put them in the comment section. If you like this video, go and hit the thumbs up button. Apart from that, you can subscribe to the channel and also get connected with us on our social media networks and our website www.fundamenty.com. So till our next video, take very good care of yourself and goodbye.